Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Resolve is ready and the template file is accessible. Import the motion array package into Effects Library or Fusion if it's a DRFX. If zipped, extract first. Once imported, drag the template into your timeline on a new video track so it doesn't overwrite clips. You'll see placeholders and Fusion comps. Pause here to map which placeholders correspond to your footage. This keeps things organized and prevents accidental overwrites when you swap media. Now you replace placeholders with your own media. Select the template clip and use the inspector to swap sources quickly. You'll want to adjust scale and position so your footage fits masks and motion tracks. Use the transform controls and enable dynamic zoom or keyframe timing where the template animates. Once done, check Fusion comps for nested elements. Make sure text layers use your titles and update fonts. This step aligns the template visuals with your project's look. Finish by rendering a shorten out range to confirm everything animates correctly and effects are intact. If an element looks missing or broken, relink the media or re-import the motion array package. Also check for third-party plugin requirements and install them. Once satisfied, render the full timeline or export your sequence. If playback stutters, clear render cache and proxy files, then retry. This usually fixes preview issues without changing the template itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.